Hey everybody, it's Jamie with Just Go Camping. I hope that you can hear me over the sound of the rushing water. And this is the third time I've had to record this intro because I keep turning my headlamp on. And so I'm sorry about that. And not that you would care. I don't know why I said that. I'm down underneath a bridge by the Greenway. Technically, this is a stealth camp. Not technically supposed to be down here after dark. I just ran into somebody who lives right next to the entrance to the Greenway, and he kind of is the unofficial patrolman for the Greenway, and I do thank him for coming by and checking on me. I explained to him that I'm just a YouTuber. I just do some camping videos, cook some food, and head on out. It's just a dinner under a bridge movie. So he said, "Oh, you're fine. Go ahead, have some fun. You know, just so I know who you are and that you're down here." Seemed like a nice guy. So I'm going to take advantage of his kindness and come down here and make sure I don't mess anything up. But let me show you around. So there's my fire. It's going pretty good. I'm going to let that wood cook down before I start putting some food on. Yeah, so here's the bridge I'm under. There's the night sky, and that's the creek. And that's the Greenway. You can't see it from here, but the Greenway goes underneath the bridge there and winds around. Over here is where the water is rushing. I don't want to go too far over here because the rocks can be slippery, but yeah, see? Yeah, I just fell right there because my foot got caught in a crag. I think it's called a crag, like a gap between two rocks, right? Yeah, the water's pretty high. Bridge above me is really a walking bridge. Nobody's going to drive on it. So this is the sitting area, and the dining room, and the kitchen, and over there is probably the bathroom. There's my knife. So it's quite nice down here. The temperature is not bad at all. It's probably around maybe 50 degrees or so. Here in Tennessee, first part of February at least is going to be kind of warm. We had a really cold January. I would say that winter time traditionally is over. I don't know. We've definitely been known to get snow in early March and late February, so you never know. We'll see. But I got a new beer. This is a blonde ale, Edmunds Oast Brewing Company, and it's called Something Cold. Sounds like I'm playing that password game. It's something cold, and you drink it, and it's fizzy, and you act like an idiot. Beer. Ding, ding, ding. Let's try it. Oh, wow. That's really good. Very nice. All right, we're getting ready to cook some dinner here. I've got some nice salmon with me, some asparagus, and some ravioli. So I should have a nice little meal. Something cold is now something empty. All right, well, dinner's still cooking. I'm gonna open up another beer. This one is a Porch Life by Panther Creek. It's one of my favorites. You guys have seen this one before. That's looking pretty good. Just need to get that to be like more of a very light salmon color. That's just too raw right now. All right, there's some salmon, asparagus, and ravioli. Some of the asparagus got blackened a little bit, and some of the ravioli, but that's all right. That's it's Atlantic salmon. Oh. Salmon, ravioli, and asparagus. Yummy. I have one final beer, and I brought some chocolate cake. This ought to be a good one. Northwoods Brewing Company, Mountain Monarch Brown Ale. I like the brown ales, so again, thank you, Liquid Smoke, for recommending this one. I'm sure it'll be very good. An expression of appreciation for the majestic creature of the New England wilderness. This take on the American brown ale was brewed with British pale dark crystal and roasted malts, which lend a mahogany hue. Mahogany. And flavor notes of coffee, dried fruit, chocolate, caramel, and dark bread. Dark bread. Cascade and Chinook hops add rich spice and citrus tones with a lingering bitterness balancing the residual sugars and full body. What do you got, like Walt Whitman tasting your beers or something? That's, I don't know. Wow, okay. Huh, that's really good. Flavor notes, coffee, dried fruit, chocolate, caramel, and dark bread. What the heck is dark bread? Like pumpernickel? I can't taste any. I mean, I can taste maybe a hint of chocolate and maybe some berries. I can't taste any dark bread. Who puts that in there? Oh, now I can taste the dark bread. Yeah. It's coming through. No. You can't taste the dark bread. That's dumb. It's a good beer, I like it, but dark bread, that's dumb. So that's about as dumb as a velvet painting of Elvis and a whale. That's dumb. I did bring some dessert with me. Chocolate lava cake. Chocolate lava cake. All right, can you see me? Okay, good. Wow. Man. That's pretty good. I prefer a cup of coffee with dessert, but oh well. Can't have everything. Where would you put it? Of course, if you had everything, you would have a place to put it. That's deep. That's deep, man. There's no lava in this cake. It says it's chocolate lava cake. There's no lava. I'm just saying. Well, guys, I'm going to call it a night here. That's all I've got for you tonight. I thank you for watching. I love all of you. Be well, be safe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.